Good morning, children. So today I am going to explain the hard words. Okay. Yesterday we finished the lesson. We know very well which lesson our nervous system. Okay, children. All of you open your textbooks. Just you have to circle in your textbook the hard words, and along with you have to open your class works. Just you have to write the lesson name and you have to keep the heading hard words. Okay, children. So our nervous system, just you have to write the hard words: brain, spinal cord, nerves, brain, spinal cord, nerves. First letter always write capital letter. Okay, children. Next, skull, brain, spinal cord, nerves, skull. Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla, okay, cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla, next, sensory nerves, motor nerves, sensory nerves, motor nerves, mixed nerves. Next, reflex actions. Reflex actions. Okay. Next, organs, iris, okay, sense organs, iris, sense organs, iris, pupil, retina, pupil, retina, optic nerve. Next, buds, taste buds. Okay. Checkpoint once you have to observe, children. Here fact wise given, just you have to read checkpoint, just to see, circle the correct answers. The bulb-shaped medulla nerve cerebrum connect the brain to the spinal cord. What is the medulla? The brain needs a continuous supply of blood and what is that? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. We know very well oxygen. Next, blinking of the eyes is an example of a voluntary reflex involuntary actions. Like that we are doing now. When we are seeing the brightness of the sun or light means we are doing like this. This is reflex actions. Okay. Next. Hard words completed now. Just you have to write words to know. Okay children, meanings you only see and write in our textbook have now. Just you have to say and write after completing the hard words. This meanings right. After read and answer. Tick the correct answers. Okay. You are the beautiful students now. Okay children, just you have to learn the hard words. Okay, very easy hard words only there. Just you have to learn the spellings of these hard words. Okay, cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla. Perfectly you have to learn that each and every hard word spelling. It's must and should. Okay children, you are the 5th class students. Particularly you have to learn that spellings. Okay, next you have to write the meanings. Okay, words to know. You only see and write. Next, tick the correct answers. What is that? Our nervous system consists of the brain, the spinal cord and the what is that? You know very well. Write down. Consists of the brain, the spinal cord, and the A blood vessels, B heart, C lungs, D nerves. So you know very well which is the correct answer. Nerves. Tick that. Second one. A person might faint in his heart does not send enough blood to his. What is that? A person might faint if his heart does not send enough blood to his feet, house, C kidney, D brain. What is that? Brain. When we happen to touch a hard object, the sensory now immediately passes a message to the brain, hands, see spinal cord, the eyes. What is the correct answer? Spinal cord. To clean a blocked nose, we must inhale perfume, eyes, a perfume, B eyes, C steam, none of these. Which is the correct one? Inhale. When we are taking stream, inhale means stream. So our nose, it's gone the block. Okay. So to clean a blocked nose, we must inhale stream. This is the correct one. Okay, next. True or false? Okay, be bit. Write T for true or F for false. First one, the cerebellum coordinates the actions of the muscles and makes them work together. As cerebellum coordinates the actions of muscles and makes them work together. True. Okay. So first one, true. Okay children, in your textbooks all members have the textbooks now. Just you have to write first one true. Okay, second one, the part of the brain that controls our senses is called the cerebrum. The part of the brain that controls our senses is called the cerebrum. Yes, we know very well. So it is the true, second one also. First you have to you have to write the true or false in your textbook. Okay, next you have to see the textbook and write in your classworks. Okay children. So next, the motor nerves bring messages from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord. Motor nerves. No, it is false. Okay. The actions controlled by the spinal cord are called reflex actions. Okay, it is true. Next, the pupil is the opening in our eye through which light enters the lens. Okay, that is the pupil. True. Sixth one. The ears enable us to keep our balance. Okay, the ears enable us to keep our balance. True. Okay. Third one only false, remaining all true. Okay, next complete the series. C bit. So here only I will write fifth one true, sixth one true. Next is C bit series. Complete this series. So what is that? Sensory nerves. Sensory nerves. Message. Motor nerves. What is that? Sensory nerves, messages. Sensory nerves gives messages and motor nerves gives what? Orders. Orders. So here one only given, remaining we only write. Memory, cerebrum. Memory, cerebrum. Okay, this one match, that one match. Okay, children. So memory, cerebrum, heartbeat, medulla. Heartbeat, medulla. Okay. Cerebellum, muscles. Cerebrum, sense organs. Third one, cerebellum. Muscles. Cerebrum, sense organs. So cerebellum, muscles, sense organs, cerebrum. Eyes, sight, skin, feel. Eyes, sight, skin, feel. Okay, easily we can write. Okay children, next write short answers. How is our brain protected from injuries? So skull have no, it protect. Okay, next. Write short answers, DB. How is our brain protected from injuries? So you have to see the textbook children. I will write the answer only. Okay. So the space between the skull and the brain. Here I am writing first answer. Okay children, first answer. Okay, don't confuse. Here I am writing first answer only. Okay. Just write down the space between the skull and the brain. and the brain, and also the inside of the brain, and also the inside of the brain is filled with a clear fluid which serves as a cushion against jerks and injuries. Okay children, so the space between the skull and the cerebrum, okay, the space between the skull and the brain, and also inside of the brain, the space between the skull and the brain, and also inside the brain also, okay, inside of the brain is filled with a clear fluid, filled with a clear fluid. Okay, what is that? Which serves as a cushion against jerks and injuries. Sometimes we fall down, we get injury, means it can protect our brain. Okay. Next, second question. The brain needs a continuous supply of blood and oxygen. Why? So the brain needs a continuous supply of blood and oxygen because a person faints off if his heart is not able to send enough blood to his brain. The brain needs, second answer, a continuous supply of blood and oxygen because a person faints if his heart is not able Okay children, so this is the answer. The brain needs a continuous supply of blood and oxygen because a person faints if his heart is not able to send enough blood to his brain. So that's why sometimes the person faints means it is not able to send his blood and oxygen. Okay. Next. What are sensory nerves? Third answer. What are sensory nerves? The nerves which brings messages from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord are called sensory nerves. The nerves which bring messages from the sense organs the brain or the spinal cord are called sensory nerves. Sensory nerves. Okay children, enough today. You have to learn short answers. This is your homework. Tomorrow we'll continue. Okay. Learn sixth lesson. Hard words means and short answers. Okay children, thank you.